What's up to all those alone in the zone? Back once again, Johnny Lopez. About to take y'all on a flashback on this CB300. Oh, right. All the gear, all the time. Got the flag in the background. All right, guys. Let's go. Got places to go. Now we got slow down work area. Get big ticket, big ticket. Now we making moves. Let's make moves now. Just make sure you get acknowledgement. Somebody's making that left turn there. That's a dangerous turn for motorcycle riders. Don't even. You make sure you slow down. Don't assume they see you. Sometimes they slow down for a different reason. You think it's you. We're gonna see a place that I visited on one of my last videos, and it was closed. Now it is open back up. Let me see if there's a difference. All right, the Wonder Wheel is moving. That's what I'm talking about. I came down here before, it was not moving. The Wonder Wheel is on the go. All right. Coney Island was looking a little hurt about a week ago. I thought it's going to be a little while before they open back up, but I think they only had a 30% capacity. We're gonna take a look, see what's good, see the vibes. Cars pulling up in the lot. That was not, I don't even think it was active last time. All right, people out here, son. All right, the Cyclone is on the go. The lines is crazy. All right. Coney Island got life back. All right, some life in here. All right. It's a good vibe to see, man. It's really good to see, man. This was dead zone just a week ago. All right. Brooklyn is back, baby. Wow, lines is here. Rides is going. Wow. Kids is loving it. You hear kids screaming. Wow. That's what's up, man. Corvette looking mean. All right. The vet looking spanky. Very nice. This is cool. We're gonna do a quick compare and contrast of the video in Dead Zone and this one. It's cool. Life is here. It's alive. You know? There's no life when I came. You know. I think it's safe to say Coney Island is back. Boardwalk looking live. Hopefully we don't get a spike in this pandemic and it could just, keep opening to more, to higher capacity. All right, I was hoping to get a close-up of the cyclone, but I think it's maybe running every once in a while. It's looking like. All right. Race cars going up. Right. Damn, this line is crazy. People were waiting for Coney Island to open. Nice, man. People are going through it, man. Lost their job, their income. There go the cyclone. All right, it's going. Cyclone is going. It's a lot of sights and sounds. All right, we're going to see what this block here is looking like. Okay, the freak show's still closed, looks like. Yeah, it's safe to say Coney Island is alive. Coney Island is live. Coney Island is live. Should I go down here? Yeah, why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? See what this block looking like here. People out and about. All right, something smelling good. Something smelling good and barbecued up. Something smelling cooked up nice. Might be that pina colada. All right. All right, Coney Island's a go, man. Good flex. I think you got to get tickets online, but you can still come out here. A nice little get out, nice little date. All right, guys, Coney Island's get the thumbs up from me, man. The thumbs up. It's good to see it back alive. Breathing some life into it. People making some money. The screams are back. Used to come here as a kid. So, even if it's this is 30%. Well, inside, but you know, outside is good. People out and about, man. This was my flashback video. And you do a quick compare and contrast with my last one, where I said Coney Island was jacked to the up. Not anymore. Coney Island is back. Not full capacity, but definitely better than nothing. And as long as the COVID rates keep going down, look at all this line of cars. This was not here on my last run. Line of cars waiting to get down them sides. Well, hope y'all got some value from this video. If you did, do the wonder wheel on that subscribe button. Hit the like. Leave a comment. Almost died right there. Any feedback will be appreciated. So until next time, John Eli Lopez signing out. Y'all be good and be safe.